Hey everyone, welcome back to Building Apps in Mr. 636. In this segment of learning Python using Turtle, we will discuss pen control. Pen control gives us the ability to control the pen strokes of our Turtle. Like always, if you want to read more about Turtle or pen control, the link to the Turtle documentation will be listed in the description below, as well as the link for the source code used for this video. However, I suggest that instead of copying and pasting, you code along with this video. You don't want to cheat yourself out of those keystrokes. And with that said, let's get started. As you can see, I've already imported everything from Turtle, and I've already drawn one line 50 pixels long. One of the first methods that we're going to discuss in pen control is pen up. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to tell the Turtle to lift its pen before moving. To better illustrate this, I'm going to do forward 50 pixels, and then I'm going to lift the pen and then have it move forward 50 pixels again. Now on the contrary, we also have pen up, pen down. Pen down obviously is going to put the pen back down on the paper or the canvas so the Turtle can go back to drawing. First thing I'll do is I'll have the Turtle turn right 45 degrees. Then I will call pen down and I will have the Turtle move forward 50 more pixels. Now like always, there's going to be a shorthand for pen up and pen down. I will illustrate them here in just a second. We have two other options for lifting the pen and putting the pen down. One of them would be PU for pen up, and the other one will be PD for pen down. Then we also have two more options, would be up and down. And they all three of these methods are going to do the same thing, basically lift and drop the pen. I'm going to keep the Turtle turning to the right just so that way the Turtle doesn't walk off the canvas. So again, just remember, all of these methods are going to basically do the same thing. Pen up, PU, up will all lift the pen. Pen down, PD, and down will all drop the pen, as you can see here. The next two things that we're going to discuss is setting the pen's width. We can do this with a method called pen size. Again, I'll have the Turtle turn right just to make sure the Turtle doesn't walk off the canvas. So with pen size, we're going to pass in a number. The number is a value that's going to be represented in pixels. So in a sense, what I'm saying here is I want the pen's size to be 5 pixels. I'll have Turtle move forward 25 pixels. And just to illustrate the other option in one shot, we'll say width. Pen size and width are going to basically do the same thing. They're going to set the width of the pen stroke to a pixel value. So we can see here that we're going to go from the default 1 to 5 to 7. The last thing I'm going to cover in this video is going to be is down. This method is basically going to check to see if the pen is currently down or is up, and it'll return a value either true or false. We're going to use the built-in print method to display on the console below whether or not the value is true or false. So if the pen is down, when you call is down, it'll return true. If the pen is up, if you print is down, it'll return false. Let's just run this and illustrate it real quick. We can see down here that, as I suggested before, we got true and false printed to the console. So real quick, I'm going to run through. I'm going to add some notes before I upload this to GitHub. I did speed this up a little bit. I cannot type this fast, otherwise I'd be a pretty productive coder. Now, like always, if you like this video or if this video has helped you in any way, please feel free to drop a comment below, like the video, hit the notifications, or even better, subscribe to my channel. Until next time, happy coding.